Good morning to everyone. I'm Beatrice Mecca, and in this video I'm gonna show you the development of my doctoral research entitled Fostering Value Creation in Architecture. The context of the research is the sustainable development of cities, and more specifically the sustainable architecture. This context entails complex decisions, so a relevant issue is to understand how such choices can be supported into being in favor of an innovative and sustainable future. Indeed, since it is not possible to control and predict the effect of transformation, understanding the mechanism of the decision-making and developing appropriate technique to structure and solve decision-making problem is considered in the literature to be the key to increasing the probability that the decision we make will be the good one. In this context, the aim of the research is to investigate the role of evaluation in the development of sustainable architectural projects, and more specifically to understand how it is possible to support the development, measurement, and evaluation of architectural projects so that they can be considered as sustainable and value-creating projects. In reference to the aim, the research questions that guide the structuring of the research are the one presented in the slide. Which feature characterize the problem of sustainable architectural projects that create value? And the second is, which evaluation method can support the development, measurement, and evaluation of sustainable architectural projects that create value? The research intends to identify a possible methodological evaluation path to support their structuring and evaluation. In this sense, this path can support strategic architectural choices towards sustainable architecture. Its usefulness could be in the preliminary phase of the project, supporting the public administration in the development of sustainable building. The model can be used for both public and private projects in order to understand on which value each project is performing well and on which it needs to be improved before the realization. The research defines a representation of the problem situation, and it attempts to align the main elements that characterize the sustainable architectural project, comparing the architectural project and the sustainable architectural project, following the formal model of the decision aid process introduced by Boyusu et al. 2006. This comparison led to align some important elements that characterize the problem situation in question. The main values considered in the architectural context are the economic, social, cultural, and environmental one, according to which the research investigates the respective key aspects on which the project can operatively intervene, and observe and discuss the usefulness of the already existing tool used for estimating and quantify value. Subsequently, on the basis of the literature and interaction with experts, the research identified the indicator as the most appropriate tool for measuring the phenomenon of value creation and defined the first preliminary output of the methodological path. So, it should have the form of a system of indicators in which there are two levels of data synthesis with different features and different synthesis output to consider. The future development of the research will foresee first the identification and the definition of the most appropriate procedure to aggregate indicators into a single information of value creation and the test of the model to a specific case study.